Hi guys, Marian here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you are packing with me because we are headed to my niece's bat mitzvah and I am so excited. My niece was a flower girl in my wedding, so I feel like this is just a full circle moment to be going to her bat mitzvah now. I cannot believe it's been 11 years, so she was like 2 at the time. But anyways, we are so excited. I will definitely put some pictures as we go about what we wore and what we did and everything. So I'll show you now like what we're packing, and then I'll insert some pics and whatever I take into the video as well, so you guys can enjoy all the fun. I'm so excited. We also have lots of family flying in from all over the world for this, so it's just super special to get together. And this video is actually in collaboration with Level 8 Luggage, which is amazing. I have had this carry-on suitcase from Level 8 since, I want to say Hanukkah 2022. I think it was 2 years ago. I can't remember exactly, but a few years now. Me and my husband absolutely love this. He actually stole it from me and he's been using it as his carry-on, and Level 8 reached out. I reached out to Level 8 and I was like, I need more luggage. My husband keeps stealing my favorite carry-on. So they were like, okay. So they sent me their carry-on that matches the one I have that I've been using and love, as well as their, I think this is the 24 or 26 inch, what's it called, under the plane check baggage. So I'm really excited about this. So I'm a very minimal packer, but we've got 5 people and 100 different outfits for this bat mitzvah, because we've got Friday pictures, Friday night Shabbat, Saturday morning the actual bat mitzvah, Saturday night dinner, Sunday hang around, and Sunday night huge party. So we've got a lot of different people, a lot of different outfits, but this should be perfect. So I'm going to tell you all about the luggage, and I'm going to show you guys what we are bringing. Also, Level 8 very kindly sent me their new packing cooler, which I'm super excited about because it's the summer, y'all. Look how nice it is. It's like super durable. Here we go. Super durable, insulated. Like, I'm ready for the beach and the pool, y'all. It even came with this really nice ice pack. What? Okay, so that's their cooler. Let me talk about the luggage and then let's get packing. Okay, so I wanted to give you guys a detailed look at the luggage. One of my favorite parts, if you care about the security, is it's got a TSA lock that the zipper is attached to. The zippers are also really well made, super durable. They can lock in right there if you want them to. And then let me show you guys the inside of the luggage. It is just gorgeous, like I said, and super well made. How cool is this? It's got a lot of nice features, including all these extra zippers and pockets so that your luggage stays super neat and organized. Everything in there is it's supposed to be. It's got these little pockets, these pockets. You know me, guys. I am a sucker for organization and pockets. So I really appreciate having my suitcase look nice and organized. And then the construction of the outer shell is really nice as well. Super durable. Like I said, I've had this one for at least 2 years now. It's held up so well. The wheels are also in that full spin design, which makes it roll really nicely. And again, they've held up really well, super well constructed. They don't break or fall off or anything like that. They're so good. And then I'm gonna show you guys also the packing cube. So this is their packing cube set. I think it's really cool because each one is labeled. So this is like supposed to be laundry one. Then there's also the makeup one, chargers one, and the chargers one has like extra padding to protect your tech stuff. The makeup one also has these really cool Velcro pieces that you can move around to protect your makeup and toiletries. So I'm going to be packing all my stuff in this big cube, and I think I'm going to do my shoes in this one, and then I'll throw in the dirty stuff as well. So let's do it. Okay, so now you know what we're bringing our clothes in. Let's talk about what I'm bringing. So first of all, let me tell you guys what I like to do. I like to plan everybody's outfits and then put them in the packing cubes and have it all ready to go. Normally I pack 1 packing cube per person, but because we have these like events that we're going to this time around and we're like coordinating all our outfits, I'm actually doing 1 cube per event. So like Saturday morning, Friday night, that kind of thing. On the airplane, the boys are wearing these Cecil and Lou shirts. Aren't they gorgeous? So my idea is for hanging out with family and everything. Shabbat dinner, I want them to look nice, but I don't want to have a million different outfits. So I thought they could fly in these and then also wear them. And then they're going to be wearing them with Kiyaki bands. By the way, I always dress my kids in the exact same outfit. And it makes it so much easier to keep track of them when we're out and about. Everyone always asks me, they're like, oh my God, isn't it so much more work to do everyone matching? I'm like, no, it's so much easier, especially when packing, because it's like I only pick the outfit once, everyone wears it. Okay, this is what I'm going to be wearing on the airplane. This dress is Billy T. I love it. I actually had it before and the dry cleaner ruined it, so I had to buy it again. That's how much I love it. It's like this star denim dress. Okay, then let's talk bat mitzvah. So I posted a YouTube short, I'll insert it here as well. I bought a bunch of dresses from Tuckernuck and I love them. They have so many options for if you're looking for like more modest, nicer going out dresses, especially for synagogue or like a fancy event. So this is the one I ended up choosing. It's got this gorgeous white lace detail. I'm just going to insert a photo so you guys can see what I look like in it. But I thought it was so pretty for synagogue. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And when I shared this YouTube short on Instagram, it was not the favorite. I did not choose a favorite, but I chose one that I really loved the best. So I'm going to be wearing that. And the shoes I'm going to be wearing, which, by the way, I will, of course, link everything for you guys, are these nude pumps. I've had them forever. They're from Mark Fisher and they are comfortable as heels can be. These are the most comfortable heels you can wear. Now, of course, you could not wear heels. That would be more comfortable, not gonna lie. But if you want to wear heels, I love these. They go with absolutely everything. And what's also nice about that is I'm going to be wearing them for the party too. Are you ready for the party dress? When I saw this dress, I legitimately was like, that's the most beautiful dress I've ever seen in my life. It is so pretty. It's from the brand Altered State, which funnily enough, I had seen an Instagrammer post a photo in another dress and I bought it, even though I had literally nothing to wear the dress to. It ended up that my friend got engaged a few months later and I was like, I'm definitely wearing that dress to his wedding, but his wedding is still in another year. So 2 years from when I bought the dress, I'll be wearing it, but that's fine. And then another influencer that I follow, Lola Webb, if you follow her, did Mother's Day pictures in this dress and I was like, oh my God, it's gorgeous. And it was from the same brand, Altered State. So I guess I really like their stuff. And Tuckernuck, those are my favorite dress brands these days. Anyways, it's long, it's gorgeous. By the way, when I hang dresses in my closet that are long, I do 2 hangers. That's my little tip. One for the skirt, one for the top. Anyways, and I'll be wearing that with the nude pumps as well. So it kind of saves me on the packing. Then Saturday night, me and my family are just going to a restaurant. So I'm going to be wearing jeans. These are the Levi 501s. I will link them. And a shirt from, you guessed it, Tuckernuck. It's just a black top. I'm going to be honest with you guys, it was a little bit expensive, but I thought it was gorgeous and one I would just wear over and over again because it's just black. So no one will mind. It's a little hard to tell on camera, but I'll definitely put up a picture. The sleeves are really beautiful, beautiful detailing. Their clothes are just like high quality. Okay, so those are my outfits. Let's get into the boys. So I have a few options I'm narrowing down. Look at this. This is from Amazon. My middle son is having his CU, his graduation ceremony from preschool, right after this bat mitzvah. So I was like, whatever I end up not doing for bat mitzvah, I'll do for the CU. I will link again everything. Oh, sorry. One more thing for my outfits. I got these from Target for Saturday night. They're like 20 bucks. I think they're super cute. Okay, more boys outfits. So this is another Cecil and Lou one. I really like the fabric of their boys' clothes because it's like almost like an athletic fabric but doesn't look like it. I don't like the polo fabric. It just like, I don't know, doesn't last. These are also monogrammed, so I have those. And then I have another little 3-piece suit. It actually has a bow tie as well. How cute is this? This is also available online. These originally I got from JCPenney for Hanukkah. And again, I'll put the links for you guys. But like a full suit kind of set for 20 bucks for the boys. So I thought that's really good. They'll have already worn them like 4 times by the time this bat mitzvah is over. So we definitely got our use out of those. So those are their main outfits. Oh, I have one more thing to show you guys from my looks, and that is these shoes. Guess where they're from? Tuckernuck. Again, so cute. I don't know 100% if I'm gonna bring them, just because I can wear the nude pumps for everything and be fine. But these are so cute. I figure if I don't wear them for the MITZVAH, I'll wear them for the museum. Okay, so those are all my outfits and the boys' outfits. My husband will pack his own outfits. If you want to see his, tell him to make a YouTube channel, guys. So let's get packing. This is my plan. Are you ready for it? This is going to be my suitcase on the plane to carry on. And my idea is I'm going to put all of our clothes for photos, because we're doing like the bat mitzvah photos Friday afternoon. You can't take pictures on Shabbat if you're religious, and most synagogues don't allow you to if you're Orthodox or conservative. I believe the Reform ones you can. But anyway, so it's common in the conservative movement to do photos like on the Friday or Thursday beforehand, but it makes it kind of complicated. So anyways, I'm putting all of our Saturday morning outfits in here to wear Friday afternoon for pictures. And my idea is that in case any luggage gets lost, at least I have the outfits we need to take photographs in right when we land with me. So that's what I'm putting in my carry-on, as well as my the one dress that I'm wearing Saturday morning, as well as the party dress, because those are the things I'm like, I cannot lose those. I can always run to Gap and get the boys, you know, navy or plain pants and a button down, like they'll be fine. But I cannot just replace a dress. That would be stressful. Anyway, so then in the big carry-on, I'm just going to be putting our everyday clothes, pajamas, toiletries, and that kind of thing. And then this is my husband's carry-on that he'll get to fill however he likes. But yes, I will be looking at his outfits, so I need to make sure that we all coordinate and look good. All right, let's get packing. Surprise! It's the next day. I actually needed a break before I could pack. I need to mentally reload, but let's do it. Okay guys, so that is it. I am all packed up. My suitcase is done. My husband has to do his, and I do have to do the kids one, but I will get to that. I'm so excited to have this luggage and to get going on to this amazing, exciting bat mitzvah and see my family. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the pictures from it, and follow along on my Instagram to see live updates from when I go to things like this and just my everyday life. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to check the links down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Smash the like button. Hit the follow, subscribe button. What else can I tell you? I'll see you in the next one. Bye!